When it comes to creating a lasting first impression, few elements have as much impact as your home's front door. For homeowners in Carencro, Louisiana, where Southern charm meets modern living, your door does more than just welcome guests. It sets the tone for your home's overall style and personality. Whether you're updating your exterior for resale or simply enhancing your home's appearance, choosing the right door style can dramatically improve curb appeal. From bold, contemporary designs to timeless classics, here's a guide to the best door styles that elevate the look and value of Carencro homes. Classic wood doors for timeless Southern charm. Nothing complements the warm, inviting spirit of Carencro like a solid wood door. Known for its natural beauty and versatility, wood offers a look that feels both traditional and luxurious. Mahogany and oak doors provide rich color tones and intricate grain patterns that pair beautifully with brick or stone exteriors. Painted wood doors in soft hues like sage green, deep blue, or black can add personality while maintaining elegance. Add wrought iron accents or glass inserts for a custom, handcrafted appearance. With proper maintenance and finishing, wood doors stand up well to Louisiana's climate, offering both beauty and resilience. Fiberglass doors. Beauty meets durability. If you love the look of wood but want something more weather-resistant, fiberglass doors are a perfect option. Designed to mimic natural wood grain, these doors resist warping, cracking, and swelling, common issues in humid regions like Carencro. Modern fiberglass doors come in an array of styles, from rustic to contemporary, and can be stained or painted to match any color scheme. Their energy-efficient insulation also helps regulate your home's interior temperature, reducing cooling costs during Louisiana's hot summers. Plus, they require little maintenance, making them a favorite among busy homeowners who want style without the upkeep. Steel doors. Modern appeal with superior security for homeowners seeking a sleek, modern look combined with strength and security. Steel doors are an excellent choice. Their clean lines and smooth finishes pair well with contemporary Carencro homes or newer suburban builds. Available in both matte and glossy finishes, steel doors can be customized with decorative glass panels, side lights, or bold colors like charcoal gray, navy blue, or crimson red. Aside from their stylish appearance, steel doors offer enhanced protection and energy efficiency, making them a practical investment that enhances both aesthetics and performance. Glass panel doors for natural light and elegance. One of the most effective ways to elevate your home's entrance is with a glass panel door. These doors allow natural light to flood your entryway, creating a bright, airy feel while highlighting your home's design. Carencro homeowners often choose frosted, etched, or decorative glass for added privacy without sacrificing style. If you prefer a more open look, full light or half-light doors with clear glass offer a modern, welcoming touch. Pair glass panel doors with wrought iron details or grid patterns for a sophisticated appearance that enhances both curb appeal and interior ambiance. Double entry doors for grand impressions. If you want your home to stand out, double entry doors provide an unmistakable sense of elegance. They're ideal for larger entryways in homes with expansive porches or brick facades, offering a symmetrical, stately look that instantly boosts curb appeal. Whether crafted from wood, fiberglass, or steel, double doors can be designed with arched tops, glass inserts, or decorative moldings for a custom appearance that fits your home's architecture. In Carencro's neighborhoods, where Southern hospitality shines, double doors make an unforgettable statement, signaling warmth, style, and sophistication. Custom colors that reflect your personality beyond material and design, your door's color choice plays a major role in curb appeal. A thoughtfully selected color can tie your home's look together or make it pop with personality. Red or yellow doors convey energy and optimism. Blue and green tones bring a calm, welcoming feel. Black and charcoal hues offer timeless sophistication. Wood-stained finishes highlight natural textures for a classic Southern look. When paired with matching hardware, lighting, and trim, a well-chosen color can transform your home's entrance into its most eye-catching feature. final thoughts: your front door isn't just an entryway, it's a reflection of your home's character and your personal taste. In Carencro, where curb appeal matters as much as comfort, upgrading your door is one of the simplest yet most impactful home improvements you can make. Whether you choose the natural warmth of wood, the resilience of fiberglass, the security of steel, or the brightness of glass panel designs, a professionally installed door will enhance beauty, boost home value, and make every arrival feel special. When you're ready to refresh your home's look, explore today's wide range of customizable door options to find the perfect blend of elegance, performance, and lasting appeal for your Carencro home.